ATC यानी कि एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल, द बैकबोन ऑफ इंडियन एयरफोर्स। एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल हमेशा किसी भी एयरलाइन या एयरफोर्स का एक बहुत ही महत्वपूर्ण हिस्सा होता है। कोई भी ऑर्गेनाइजेशन ATC के बिना काम करने का सोच भी नहीं सकता। ये बिल्कुल वैसे काम करता है जैसे कि नमक हमारे रोज के खाने में करता है। यह ATC यह सुनिश्चित करता है कि सभी उड़ानें अपने शेड्यूल का पालन करें। तो चलिए बात करते हैं रिस्पॉन्सिबिलिटीज ऑफ एयर ट्रैफिक कंट्रोल। मोस्ट इंपॉर्टेंट वर्क ऑफ ATC इज टू मेंटेन फ्लो ऑफ एयर ट्रैफिक। इट अलाइंस द flight system of Indian Air Force so that different scheduled flights do not interfere with each other. Keeping a track of flights of neighboring countries is also crucial, but not doing it can lead to air accidents. Different routes for every flight needs to be maintained at the same time. In addition to this, an air traffic controller needs to be very alert at every moment to ensure the safety of pilots and other staff members. He is responsible for providing directions and other instruction to the pilot. If the pilot is in any kind of need, he contacts the air traffic controller only. How can someone join ATC in Indian Air Force? For joining Air Traffic Control Unit, candidates have to clear AFCAT written exam conducted by the Indian Air Force twice in a year. They have to choose ground duty branch option for the same. However, ground duty branch also have two categories. To join ATC, one has to prioritize administration branch above logistic branch. Administration branch selects candidate under permanent commission and short service commission. After that, candidates are trained as per their job profile. Male candidates can be selected for permanent commission, but female candidates can join ATC only under short service commission criteria. This job is not easy at all, and therefore not everyone can take the responsibility of doing it successfully. An air traffic controller is the only contact for a pilot in emergency. It is a profession which demands high alertness and focus every moment. Hence, the air traffic controller is a responsibility for safe landing of the pilot as well as aircraft. As a result, air traffic controller needs to have knowledge about technical aspects like radar, ground security system, etc. The skills and the decisions of the staff along with the pilot makes the Indian Air Force guardian of the skies in true terms.